Hello, everyone. Welcome to your second week, Psychology 4325, Human Sexuality. The past week, you were introduced to some of the basic concepts, various concepts of human sexuality, such as the male and female anatomy, the parts and the various functions, what it means to be sexually intelligent, and the issues of biology versus sociology in terms of the development of sexual identity. Uh, you also learned about sexology, that particular field that researches and examines sexuality and some of the various research techniques that are used uh, to examine and research sexuality. Just like other fields, sexology utilizes some of the same tools, such as uh, experimental research, case studies, direct observation, and so forth. So this week you will continue learning and building upon that foundation. You will examine issues such as sexual arousal, sexual behaviors, contraception. So this week you need to complete the following task. You to read chapters 6 through 10 in your Crooks and Bauer text, along with the corresponding PowerPoint lecture materials that are there, located in your Blackboard. This week, your discussion board, there's only one. Complete discussion board 2. You are to select 2 of the 5 senses and indicate how important they are in respect to sexual arousal. Say, for instance, is touch really important in terms of being aroused, or is smell, the way something smells, is it possible for a smell to arouse someone sexually? And of those senses that you select, indicate how important they are, as I was saying, in respect to sexual arousal. Then you need to report on whether or not you expect those senses are equally important to all people, and why or why not. You need to use 2 external resources, that means resources other than your textbook, to support your stance. Cite and reference those outside resources according to APA format and APA style. Post your initial response of 250 words or more by Wednesday, 11:59 p.m. and your at least 2 peer replies no later than Saturday, 11:59 p.m. And be sure to adhere to all discussion board rules of decorum and the instructions. This week, you also have an assignment. You're going to research a piece of research that was done a number of years ago, over 25 years ago, as a matter of fact. It was done in the 1970s. The Tea Room Trade Sex Research that was conducted by Lord Humphrey. And the particular research addresses sex in public places. So there is a link there in the assignment area of your Blackboard. You will see that will bring up that particular article. So after researching the topic, you need to create a 5 to 7 slide PowerPoint presentation or a 2-minute video summarizing that unethical research on sexuality. Please submit the assignment by 11:59 p.m. Sunday. And then lastly, you have your weekly quiz. Submit that also by 11:59 p.m. Sunday. And of course, if you have any concerns or any questions, always feel free to contact me. Additionally, I will, again, as I do each week, post a collaborative video that I would like you to watch. And when that video is posted and completed, I will alert you by email and let you know that it is available for viewing. So that is your second week in a nutshell, and I will see you in the classroom.